Menteri rang ba kajalau konrat ke sang maha kasing toding, ula pelat ba ya ki kali health Polyclinic, chong Shipai ki bala Shongthait, ki ban Leit ay ki jing Shakri sa Tura, ka jing yalang ka bala Penlong Rhino Training Center Shillong. Menteri rang ba ula penpau ya ki jing kersyan na kaliang ka sarkar, bat pen skemru ya ki jing kod jing mod hakaban ay jing kersyan ni kino ki sinjam bala shim ki badai na benta ka bha kamyat jong Shipai ki bala Shongthait. Konrad lo penbenaru ya kecing Arab song pisa basan lak na ke Chief Minister Special Grant halor kene kam kebabahan nam taki Shipai ki bala Shongthait.
Nice, very good, very nice. Of showing our gratitude and our thanksgiving to our armed forces for the contribution and the sacrifice that they make to protect each and every citizen of our country. And therefore, this is a very small step, but nonetheless a strong and a powerful message that we as a society and as a government and as a Chief Minister, we are there to always support you and be with you in every way that's possible. Meghalaya and Shillong specifically has always been a location where we have had a strong presence of the armed forces, and during the course of this years and the presence of the armed forces, we have faced challenges because of different kind of confusions and conflicts that were there in some ways. And but in the last many years, I have seen and noticed that we have seen a lot of collaboration now taking place between the civilians and the armed forces, and that's a very healthy trend. And this may be a very good occasion for me to stress on this aspect once again, that as we move along through proper discussion, through proper activities where we work with the civilians and with the society at large and the armed forces together, we'll be able to really build up a very good environment and a good communication among the communities out here. And that, I think, has been happening, and that is happening, of course, because of the leadership within the armed forces that we have. And I must take this opportunity to thank all our the leaders, the Air Marshal, the Lieutenant General, and others who have been very proactive in this area and have ensured that we are able to create the right environment. At the end of the day, it is the country and it is our society and all of us that is right in front. The country is right in front and at the top of our agenda, and therefore we all, as members of the armed forces as well as the society, must work together to keep that agenda at the top of our agendas for all of us. So with these few words, I once again congratulate all of you. I thank each and every stakeholder who has made this program a success. And
in Meghalaya, the veteran health care was restricted to Polyclinic at Shillong, Military Hospital Shillong, and one Impanel Hospital at Woodland Hospital, also in Shillong. This year, we have already taken a giant stride in improving healthcare for the veterans of Meghalaya by the historic empanelment of MIGRIMS. However, with all these facilities being limited to Shillong, a lot of ECHS beneficiaries, especially aged veterans residing in Garo Hills region, were facing hardship due to the compulsion to travel to Guwahati or at times to Shillong, even for minor ailments and surgeries or checkups. The need for expanding the reach of ECHS facility within Meghalaya was essential to bring in any tangible improvement for treatment of veterans in Meghalaya.
Ex-Servicemen Contributory Health Scheme was launched with effect from 1st April 2003 and is financed by Government of India.
I want to thank you on behalf of the that we finally
all the help we are a little late, sir. We are a little late. They promised to complete the
computer connected to the ECSS server and give the optimum benefits. We give the primary treatment here and also give the medicines for the monthly requirements and give reference to the ambulance hospitals anywhere in India.
What is it's got an ECG machine, it's got BP, it's got all the basic medicines, sir. And you see the router. So even from Tura or any other place, any patient has to be referred to a hospital in Guwahati. The doctor can do it directly to the central. We don't have to have any paperwork or issues in that place.
What we're doing is that we are ultimately have a lot of steps that we're taking in our own health sector, and including computerization, including patient record, centralizing all of that information and putting it into a centralized database. That work is going on as we speak. So how we can connect this also try to work out so that we can take more.
Is the director ECHS, sir?
Okay.
Work with ready to make this happen.
Right.